Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maulana Yusuf. I'm from Mechanical Engineering Mercubuana University, Bekasi. On this occasion, I will be present about measurement. At the first, I will explain definition of measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is a series of activities aimed at determining the value of a quantity in the form of numbers. So, measuring is a process that links number empirically and objectively to the properties of objects or real events so that the number obtained can provide a clear picture of the object or event being measured. Measurement provides a foundation for research and development. All complicated mechanical design always consists of empirical, which is based on experience and common sense engineering; rational, subject to the principle of engineering and physical law; experimental, based on the measurement of various quantities related to operation, performance, or newly developed process. Measurement is a basic element of every control process, where the control process requires measurement deviation between actual and expected performance. The controller must know the magnitude and direction of the difference in order to reach correctly. Various daily operations require measurement to get the right performance. Measurement must be reliable. No measurement results are perfect. The measurement result must be interpreted correctly, avoiding the giving of tolerance without basis. Instrument. Instrument or measuring device is a device to measure the price of a quantity during observation. The device can be a pointing instrument and can be a recording instrument. The term instrument is used for two purposes, namely 1. A pure instrument consisting of a mechanism and part built in a container or device associated with it. 2. The following pure instruments are just any auxiliary device, for example, capacitor resistant or instrument transformer. Instead of the word instrument device, the word measuring instrument is often used as well. The word device is also used as an index of device. Working characteristic of measuring device. The characteristic of effective measuring device can be broadly divided into two groups large, namely static and dynamic characteristic. Static characteristic of a measuring instrument are characteristics that must be considered if the tool is used to measure a condition that does not change because of time or just change slowly. Statistic characteristic consists of calibration, accuracy, precision, sensitivity, readability, measurement error. The dynamic characteristic of a measuring instrument is a function of a time. The output-input relationship is expressed as a differential equation. The main characteristic are speed in response and accuracy. Response speed is the speed of the measuring tool in giving response to change in measured quantity. Accuracy is level which gives an image whether the gauge shows the measured change in variable without dynamic error. Some terms in measurement: dimension, measure, flat, inclined, angle, height, thickness, span, and much more. Precision and tolerance. It is impossible to produce components with dimensions that are absolutely precise, with size exactly the same as to specified in a design. This is because all production processes are imprecise to a certain extent. Therefore, the size of several components produced from the same design will vary. Although the variation may only be a few hundredths of a millimeter, size will not be 100% accurate compared with the design. Because engineers know that accuracy cannot be perfect, in design they often specify tolerance, that is acceptable variation in precision. instead of giving one precise size. A tolerance specifies a range of acceptable size and allow amount of variation. This is often given as a deviation from a precise size. The drawing below shows a shaft with a specific diameter of 88 mm plus or minus 0.05 mm. This means the diameter may deviate 0.05 mm either side of the sides. Therefore, diameter of 87.95 mm and 88.05 mm, which are slightly inaccurate, are still permissible as they are within tolerance. However, diameter of 87.94 mm or 88.06 mm are not permissible. They are outside tolerance. When the permissible deviation in size is very small, we say it is a tight tolerance or a close tolerance. A large permissible deviation is a loose tolerance. For example, machining a metal component to a tolerance of plus or minus 0.1 mm is relatively easy to do. So, this tolerance is loose, but a tolerance of just plus or minus 0.01 mm is a tight tolerance in metalworking. In a concrete structure, plus or minus 10 mm is a loose tolerance, but plus or minus 1 mm is tight because it is difficult to place wet concrete accurately. In the world of engineering, measurement can be used to measure speed, temperature, length, mass, and time, and much more. Measurement can be carried out using appropriate measuring instrument. Maybe this is in the end of my present. More or less, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.